In this video, I will show you how to make cake pops and the Oreo truffles. For that, we need chocolate chips. I'm using a dark chocolate. We need white chocolate chips. For that, we need to melt the chocolate. The best way to melt the chocolate is heat a pan with water and add the glass bowl with the chocolate chips over it, and it will melt automatically with the steam. You can also use the microwave, but the microwave you need to stir it every 30 seconds. But sometimes in the microwave the chocolate become dry, so this is the best way to melt the chocolate. Now our dark chocolate is melted. Similarly, I will melt the white chocolate. For other ingredients, we need rainbow rounds for the decoration and the cream cheese. I'm using the Philadelphia cream cheese to make the Oreo truffles and the cake pops. So start with the first recipe is the cake pops. I'm using a fruit cake. You can also use the plain vanilla cake. The fruit cake recipe you will find on my YouTube channel. For in this fruit cake, I'm just added juice and the tutti frutti. Grind the cake in the food processor and make us very fine crumbs. Then add 2 tablespoons of cream cheese into it. The cream cheese helps in binding the cake together to make the balls. So I use 1 tablespoon of cream cheese. I mixed it well and then I add another tablespoon of cream cheese. Mix it well. Now I will check if the cake is binding together, which I see yes, then it means our cake mix is ready. Now we will make a pops out of this cake mix. I am using my hands to make a small balls of the cake. So make all the small balls out of this cake mix. Once all the balls are ready, now we will take a skewer, dip in melted chocolate and add to the cake pop. Like this, the similarly way we will do for all the cake pops. This step is very important because to stick the skewer into the cake pop, we need to bind it with the chocolate. And we will add to the cake pop and we need to refrigerate for 10-15 minutes so that the chocolate, the melted chocolate will bind with the cake mix and the skewer is firmly attached to the cake pop. So we will do this for all the cake pops. So once done, we need to refrigerate for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, now the skewer is attached with the cake pop very nicely. Now we will add the melted chocolate onto the cake mix. I'm not dipping the cake pop into the chocolate because it's very easy to break because cake is very soft. So what I'm doing, I'm adding a melted chocolate onto the cake pop and spread the chocolate nicely. Now place the skewer on the thermocol and decorate the cake pop with the rainbow rounds on the top. And similarly do with all the cake pops. Cover the cake pops with the chocolate. Place on the thermocol and then decorate it with the another color of the chocolate, or with the rainbow rounds, or any kind of decoration you like. Once all the cake pops are covered with the chocolate and you decorate it, we need to refrigerate it for 30 minutes. And afterwards, then our all cake pops are ready. You can also make the cake pops with the white chocolate or the dark chocolate, up to you. For Oreo truffles, our next recipe, you need to take 25 Oreo cookies. 20 to 25 is your choice. Then we grind it in the food processor into a fine powder. I checked and I still see there is some pieces, so I will give another minute to grind it very well. Once it's done, then add 2 tablespoons of cream cheese. Mix together. I will show you how to check that there is enough cream cheese or not, or you need to add more. I'm checking it out. Still I find that it's not binding together. Then I will add another tablespoon of cream cheese into it and run the food processor to mix it very well. Now I see from the outside, now all the Oreo chunks are binding together, and I will give another minute to mix it, and now it becomes a soft dough. This is how it should look like. And now we are making small balls by using the hand palms. Make a small balls from out of all the cookie dough. Once all are ready, we are dipping the ball into a melted chocolate, dipped very well, and place on the parchment paper. Also decorate at the same time, either with the white chocolate or with the rainbow rounds, or any kind of decoration you want. Similarly, I am making another Oreo truffles by using a dark chocolate. I'm also making the Oreo truffles with the white chocolate, in that you dip the Oreo dough small balls into the white chocolate. Either you left it as plain or you can decorate with the opposite chocolate color, the Oreo truffles, or you can decorate with the rainbow rounds or any kind of decoration how you want your Oreo truffles look like. This is how you can make the Oreo truffles at home, which is very good in taste and it's all-time kids favorite. If you like my recipes, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get the updates on my videos.